Hi, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. We're going to start with our lesson. We're going to start with our rhyming. Remember, I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to repeat. If they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't, give me a thumbs down. Pie, high. Thumb, from. Dot, day. Sit, hit. Good, then. Nice job. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words and then the sound they start with. Listen to me, then repeat. Good, grasp, g. After, apple, ah. Option, otter, aw. First, find, f. Help, hip, h. Awesome. Next one is blending our phonemes. You need your choppers. We are going to say the 2 parts of the word and then blend them together. Watch me, then it's your turn. Ooh, moo. Wee. Ooh, too. I, tie. Pay. Awesome. All right, our next one, we're isolating final sounds and we are going to punch it out. All right, so we're going to say a word and punch out the final sound. You watch me first, then it's your turn. Good. His. Rain. Pull. Hop. Awesome. Get those choppers out again. We're going to segment our phonemes. We're going to say the whole word, then break it into 2 parts. B, e. 2, oo. Knee, e. Way, a. B, e. Mo, o. Excellent. Next one, we're deleting phonemes. Oh, sorry about that. We're adding phonemes, then we're deleting. So to add phonemes, you're going to need your hands. We're going to start with the end of a word, and I'm going to have you add the beginning. All right. Ooh. Add g. Goo. I. Add h. High. A. Add w. Way. E. Add b. B. Nice job. Now we are going to delete phonemes. So to delete, we need to hold the word in our hands, and we're going to take away a piece of that word. All right, your word is my. Without what's left is I. Toe. Without t, what's left is O. Do. Without d, what's left is ooh. Me. Without what's left is e. Say. Without s, what's left is a. Great. All right, the next one we're going to do is substituting phonemes. So you're going to need your fists. We are going to be changing out the beginning of the word. All right, so your first word is lie. Change l to t. Tie. Good. Tie. Change t to l. Lie. Lie. Change l to h. High. High. Change h to b. Buy. Buy. Change b to g. Guy. Very good. All right. Yesterday we started doing our rhyme, our language awareness. So I'm going to say the 2 lines we did yesterday and a 3rd line today, and it's your job to copy. All right? Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating a Christmas pie. Awesome. We'll do the next part tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.